Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at the Higher 2012 Paper 2 question 7. And we can see it's a question about prime factors. We've got to express 200 as a product of its prime factors. Now, any number that ends in 0 you can divide by 5. It's also an even number, so you can divide by 2. So we can start with either of those two prime factors and work our way through. It's irrelevant which one you start with, you'll end up with the same set of prime factors, but quite often there's more than one number that you can divide with. But as I say, ends in a 0, you can divide by the prime factor 5, or ends in 2, you can divide by the prime factor 2. And let's start with that one. 200 divided by 2 will give us an answer of 100. If we take 100 and divide that by 2, it will give us an answer of 50. Again, it's still an even number, so we can divide by 2 again, and we get an answer of 25. Now, 25 can be divided by 5. Any number ending in 5 is divisible by 5. And 25 divided by 5 gives us a final answer of 5, which of course is itself a prime number. So once you get to this end point of having a prime number, you know that you've finished doing your divisions. And then it's just a case of looking at all the numbers that you've used to divide. And we can see we've got 3 2's and we've got 2 5's. So our final answer is 5 times 5 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's us expressed 200 as a product of prime factors. It's always a good idea when you're at this point to redo this multiplication on your calculator to make sure it is 200 that you get. That way you can satisfy yourself that you have actually found the correct list of prime factors. Now, in some questions they might ask you to express the prime factors in index form, and you'll notice we've got 2 5's and 3 2's. So we can write that down as 5 to the power of 2 or 2 to the power of 3. If you'd taken this extra step in the question, you would be penalised for that because you've done this bit correctly here, and this is quite correct as well. It is showing it as a product of the prime factors, albeit we're simplifying it to show the prime factors are the same in index form. That's all for this particular question. Thank you for listening.